Hi, so today with us we have Ms. Bapsi Patel, who has been an Antarang mentor and has mentored two young Antarang students for the past 1 year. We're going to get to know her as well as get some snippets around her mentoring experience. So this is going to be a rapid fire, and I will ask you questions. You have to ensure that you answer them within 30 seconds. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes, we are
Okay.
ready.
Great. So, my first question is, if you could describe your professional journey in one word, what would that be?
The word is fun. Fun.
Wow.
If you're not having it, there's no point in doing anything in life. So fun. I always joke with my management that you're paying me a salary to have fun. Yeah, I do. I really do that.
Well,
So
that's great because, yeah, anything with fun is an adventurous journey. So, I agree to that. And how has your mentoring journey been?
so with my both my mentees, professionally and personally, of course, there has always been growth. So in both cases, I learned a lot of new things. We are all living in our own cocoons, in our own comfort zone, and there's a whole new world out there. So when you interact with different people, not only do you teach them, but you learn from them. So actually, I am feeling very blessed and very thankful that I could be part of this whole experience. And it has just been growth, overall growth, not in any one field, it's just an overall personal growing and professional growing in mentoring.
Wow, that's great. And I know that you have had a lot of mentoring sessions with the two of your mentees, and you consistently met them month on month. So, if you could just share two qualities of each of your mentees.
So Nafazat, her outstanding qualities were maturity. And she was very clear about what she wanted in life, which is very difficult. Sometimes, you just don't know what you want or in which direction you're going. So these are the two things I admired in her. And for Nagma, she's a fighter and survivor. So initially, I thought, she was very unresponsive and all. But then Retal and I realized, if I may say in Hindi, she's the lambi race ka ghoda, you know. So yeah, so she's a fighter and a survivor, and in her own slow way, she gets there. An admirable quality in her.
That's great. And I see a lot of videos that Nagma has been creating on YouTube. She
Yes,
has her own
yes,
channel as well. It's great to see her
yes.
grow. So what has been one achieving moment for you in this journey? Because we've seen you work hard a lot and you prepared for each and every mentoring session. So what has been that achieving moment for you as a mentor in this journey?
So the achieving moment came from me for me when there was a sudden turnaround in both their confidence level. See, when they came to me as mentees, they were very low on confidence levels. They were very unsure of themselves. So that real achievement for me was both of them suddenly became confident. It was like overnight, so it was all digital. So suddenly one day they came on my screen and they looked smarter and they looked more confident. They spoke in a better manner. They interacted better. So that was one achieving moment for me. And I felt, the girls are there.
Wow, that's amazing. And when you said that your personal and professional journey has been a lot of fun, was there fun moments in your mentoring journey as well? If you could share some of it with us, it would be
Yeah.
great.
Yes, a lot fun moments were there, but when we all three had fun was, we were talking about what people will think, what people will say, in those kind of moments, all the restrictions in society. So we had an annual function here when I was 60 plus,
Mhm.
and we put up a dance video. So I taught people choreography, and the entire HR group just danced, went up on stage and just danced. So I just showed the to them fun because it recreated the whole experience, and they had a lot of fun watching the 60-year-old mentor get on stage and dance, actually dance. So yeah, it was a real, that 2 minutes was real fun for us.
Wow. I wish we
Yeah,
could also be a part of it, but yeah,
yeah,
lucky are your mentees. Um, and have you come across moments when your mentees actually surprised you? Because a lot of times we don't expect them to do things, but they do tend to surprise us. So, have there been any moments when you were surprised in this journey?
Yes, Nagma came from a very restrictive background, okay? And her job was a very interactive job of a beautician, you know,
Correct.
where you really need to be face to face with people. Now, COVID changed all that. So I was very happy to see that she had gone digital.
Hmm.
So actually put out videos and she got a lot of followers. It boosted her confidence levels. And that was, you know, very surprising for me that suddenly overnight she just took this call and shifted focus. Great thing to do. And
Yeah.
for Nafasa, she was always the shy, retiring, what can I do, madam kind of a person. And she actually hosted farewell of one of her colleagues.
Yes.
So she was MC for that, and she spoke very well, and she had no scary moments or anything like that, you know. So yeah, that was good. That was a very good turnaround for me. Yeah.
Thank you. That's really good. Good to see them grow in this journey. And also, you started off before COVID, and you actually met your mentees in person, and then suddenly there was a shift wherein you had to adjust to the virtual environment, and then do your mentoring sessions on online platforms. So I assume that these must be challenging. But were there any core challenges in your mentoring journey? Anything specifically that you felt challenging?
See, I feel when you're really relating to people and their emotions, face to face interactions always better.
Right.
See, the challenge for me was the digital. So, you know, when you're sitting across from people, you know, the vibes that you get, the body, you know, you get the full body language, you know,
Correct.
and then I wanted to share a lot of slides with them. I wanted to share some videos with them, which would have looked nicer on a bigger screen. So technology was a challenge for all of us, though I was in an office setup, but from home, they had some technological challenges. So that was the only challenge. Otherwise, we had a good time.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
and also one thing that kept you going, because I know that almost the entire year went by working from home and doing your mentoring sessions online. So one thing that really got you going in this journey, that kept you all binded.
Uh, See, nothing makes, actually, it was a selfish reason, actually. Nothing makes me happier than sharing with people. So, sharing your stories, sharing your knowledge, you know, being a part of somebody else's life, you know, it is very fulfilling. So, little selfish reason, but I'm glad I could add value to their lives. They said it made a big difference to them. And that's what always keeps you committed. You know, at the end of the day, when you see a smile on their faces, when you feel that you've made a difference in their lives, and they themselves are touching so many more lives. So that always keeps you going. And the learning.
Yes.
There are the learning, you know, it's, I don't know, I'm old school, but there are small moments in life which constantly keep amazing me, you know. I feel, wow, wow, you know. So I had a lot of wow moments with them. So that's what kept me going.
Really inspiring. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. If you could give one piece of advice to our other mentees, because looking at Nafasat and Nagma grow, it's a value add to other mentees also who have got an opportunity to meet mentors like yourself. So anything specific that you'd like to tell them?
Yeah, see, as far as careers go, because our end result is career readiness,
Hmm.
you will always get your dream job. So my advice to you is be the best in whatever you do. Whatever you take in hand, it may not be your dream, but be the best in that, and your dream will just fall into place. And another very important thing, failure is an event, not a person.
Correct.
So never, ever let failure set you back. Just keep on doing. Kaam karte raho. That's it. And you will be surprised, everything will fall into space. Everything. So that's my one advice to them. Yeah.
Thank you. And one advice for our mentors like yourself who are also understanding, figuring things out in their mentoring journeys, trying their best to support our students. One advice for them.
Please keep doing it. Pay it forward is my advice. Because when you're mentoring somebody, you're learning, and the person you are mentoring is in turn touching so many other lives. So don't stop and pay it forward. Always remember, pay it forward. That is my final word on this, really.
Thank you. This has been super fun. I personally enjoyed a lot. And thank you so much for sharing your experiences today, as well as supporting Nafasit and Nagma in their journeys. We wish you very best. And yeah, thank you.
And Zara, pleasure interacting with your foundation. Lovely people, lot of creativity and apnapan. So thank you for making me a part of this. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Very sweet. Thank you.